multiples of the number 2. This means 2 no repeated times, 2 repeated only 1 time, 2 repeated 2 times, 2 repeated 3 times, 2 repeated 4 times, 2 repeated 5 times, 2 repeated 6 times, 2 repeated 7 times, and so on as you want to find any multiples of 2. Now we find this result, the multiples of 2. It means 0, 2 times 0 equals 0, 2 times 1 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 4 equals 8, 2 times 5 equals 10, and 2 times 6 equals 12, 2 times 7 equals 14, and so on. There are infinite numbers of multiples of 2, there are infinite numbers of multiples of 1. This is dependent on what you want to find multiples of 2, 1, and so on. Now you can do an exercise by yourself to find the multiples of the number 3. This means you times 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 6, 3 times 7, and so on. I will explain you how to find the multiples of number 5 and the number 4. The multiples of number 4, as we can do on the number 1 and the number 2, we times 4 by 0, times the 4 by 1, times 4 by 2, times the 4 by 3, 4 by 4, 4 by 5, 4 by 6, and so on. We can find the result 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Let we take this number 28. This number 28 means 4 times 7. What it means? This means we repeat it 7 times. Now let's take another number 14. What does 40 mean? 40 is a multiple of 4. Why? Because 40 is 4 times an integer, which is 10, and so on. Now multiples of the number 5. 5 repeated no times, 5 repeated only 1 time, 5 repeated 2 times, 5 repeated 3 times, and so on. We can find the result, and we must note something in this multiple of 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. By other means, we can realize in this, we only every time added 5. 15 added 5, 20, 25 added 5, 30, and so on. Which means we repeat 5. And we now get to the section remarks. Remarks, there is some notes on multiples. You must realize it and memorize it, because it is an important one and it is important for you to realize it. What is the first remark? First remark, the multiples of 2 are the number whose unit digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What I can find in this? This means any number, you look at the unit place. If the unit place is 0, or 2, or 4, or 6, or 8, you realize that this number is an multiple of 2. Let's take an example about this. Let's see this. 12,004. We look at the unit place, we find 4. This means all the number is a multiple of 2. The second number is 33,332. We look at the unit place, we find 2 in the unit place. This means the whole number. This is a multiple of the number 2. Another one, 2018. We look at the unit place. In the unit place, we can find that the unit place is 8. This means 2018 is a multiple of the number 2. Which all of these called even numbers. Now let's speak the second remark. The second remark, the multiples of 5 are the numbers whose unit digits are 0 or 5. In this remark, we understand that, as we say before, any number whose unit is 0 or 5, this means this number is a multiple of 5. 100 is a multiple of 5. 5 is a multiple of 5. 10 is a multiple of 5. Why? Because these numbers have 0 or 5 in the place. And this is some example. 1,000, 1,245, 1,975, 13,795. All of them we can see in the unit place 0, 5, 5, 5, 5. Now, the third remark. The multiple of 10 are the numbers whose unit digit is 0. Only 0, no other number, only 0. If we have a number whose unit place is 0, this number is called a multiples of 10. Some examples: 10, 1,020, 2,580, and so on. All of them we can see in the unit place 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This means all of this number is the multiples of the number 10. Now we would speak about the common multiple. Common multiple means this multiple, this product exists in two numbers, or three numbers, or four numbers. Common it is between some numbers, two numbers, three numbers, four numbers, and so on. Common multiple, we can see 4 repeated only no times 0 equals 0. 1 repeated no times equals 0. 4, 5, 8, any number repeated no times equals 0. This means 0 is the common multiples of all numbers. 0 exists in all multiples of all numbers. Multiples of all numbers. Now, all numbers that are multiples of both 2 and 3 are multiples of 6. This needs some explanation. We can find multiples of 2 is 0, and the first multiple of 3 is 0. Then 0 is the multiples of 6. 2 repeated 2 times equal 4. Then the multiples of 2 is 0, 2, 4, 6. Now 3, 0, 3, 6. And this means 6 repeated in two places. In multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Then 6 is the multiple of the number 6. And this is 2. Another important note. All numbers that are multiples of both 2 and 5 are multiples of 10. Sure, multiples of 10. We can find that in the multiples of 2, 0, and the multiples of 5 is 0. Then 0 is the multiple of 10. 2 repeated no times is 2, 0. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we have 10 in multiples of 2. 5, 0, 5, 10. 10 exists in the multiples of 2 and 5. Then 10 is the multiples of 10 and so on. Another example we can see 20. 20 is a multiples of 2 and 20 is a multiples of 5. Then 20 is a multiples of 10. Now, all numbers that are multiples of both 2 and 7 are multiples of 14, which means 14, 2 times 7 equals 14, as all we see before. Now, let's do some exercise to see what we understand, what is the problem we have. The first question is complete. The common multiples of all numbers exist in all numbers is sure 0. The second one, the second multiples of 5. The first multiple of 5 is 0 because 0 is the common multiples of all numbers. Then 5 steps after 0, I will repeat 5 only one times, which will be equal, yes, row 5. Now, the third multiples of 1. What is the meaning of the third multiples of 1? 1 repeated 2 times equals 0. 1 repeated only 1 times equals 1. 1 repeated 2 times equals 2. 1 repeated 3 times equals 3. 5,555 is a multiple of what? How I can know what is this number multiple of what? 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. How I can find it? This is remarks. We can realize that from the remarks we studied. We will look at the unit place. If the unit place is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, the number is a multiple of 2. If the unit place is 0 or 5, the number is a multiple of 5. If the number is 0, the number we have is a multiple of 10. Now, look at the unit place. Unit place is 5. Then all this number, the whole number is a multiple of 5. Another question. 912 is a multiple of what? How we can realize that? Only this depends on remarks we studied. Now look at the unit place. We see that 2. 2 means the whole number is a multiple of 2. Because 2 is even number. 12 is a common multiple of. 12 is a common multiple of a lot of numbers, like 2 and 6, like 1 and 12, like 3 and 4, and 2 and 6. Why? How can I realize that 12 is a common multiple of a multi of number or a lot of numbers? It's simple. 12 is 1 times 12. This means that 12 is a common multiple of 1 and 12. 12 is 2 times 4. This means 12 is a common multiple of 3 and 4. 12 is 2 times 6. This means 12 is a common multiple of 2 and 6. We see only 2 and 3. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our explanation. I hope you see you again. Thank you. Goodbye.